Let's now see how we can do an event plot. Now, what is an event plot? This function is often used to plot identical lines at a given position. These plots in general are used for representing neural events in neuroscience, where more often it is called spike raster or dat raster or raster plot. So it is also known as raster plot. So now let's see how you can do that using the plot function, using the event plot from Ax. Okay, so let's just do that. Fig comma Ax equals to, you can do that, plt dot subplots. Then we just need to add this function, it is event plot. So it's D. Then we can give the orientation as vertical. You can give horizontal also, but here I am giving vertical. Line offsets, let's keep the, how many line you want to keep, so let's keep it as from the X line offsets here. So let's keep it as a value of X, and let's keep the line width as 0.75. Now we can do that X dot set, and it's basically what we do. We keep the X limit from 0 to 8, then we give the X ticks, then we give the X ticks as np dot arrange, and it's from 1 to 8. Then we give the Y in, that is 0 to 8. Okay, so there is, I forgot to give the comma, and here now it will be Y ticks equals to np dot arrange 1 to 8. Now we will do the plot show. It will be plt dot show. Let's run this. Okay, so here I have given it wrong, vertical. Extra X. Okay, see, this is how you can do a event plot when you are taking the orientation as vertical.